Good morning, guys, and where are we off today again?
Flip out in Leeds.
And what are we doing?
We're off for a photo shoot.
Yeah, gonna do some. Who's gonna do some cool flips?
Laurie.
Yep, and Emily. Yep, we're all gonna do some awesome flips and have some fun.
You're doing some awesome flips.
Oh no, I'm watching. I can't flip because of my legs, but these guys can, and yeah, we're very grateful for this opportunity. So we'll keep you updated how the day goes.